you do everything. Now get on with it here. Now you clean that. I want that boat clean as slick as snot out there. You understand? Get her going. Come on, get in there. Let's go. What in the world is keeping you? Get this stuff. Come on, you get in there, boy. Let's go. I told you boys, and I told you boys, don't take your brother out on your runs, getting them all torn up. You come home with nothing but trouble.
Yeah, but he asked. He wanted to go to 7-Eleven and get a big red soda, right, bro? Yeah, big red soda and a peanut patty and a pig's foot. Hey, don't mess with my Lou Reed leather look.
Look like a fool. Why don't you get a haircut? I wouldn't trust you to chase flies off a dead dog's dick.
Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah? Well, kiss my plate, Mr. Big Shot. Yeah, maybe you forgot. This chrome don't bankroll this food business. No lucky gook with a machete, no head wound. No head wound, no fancy rolling grill a go-go. Ain't no fool. Kiss it, don't forget it. Kiss it, don't forget it. Kiss it, 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 kiss it.
Who can forget? What's the matter, you boys drooping around back there? Somebody bent your willy?
Let's trash him. Go. Well, what the hell? Hey, they don't have no croissants.
Hey, tough luck night. Bum roundup. That stock's weak-blooded, if you ask me.
Okay, is the stock weak-blooded?
Just shut up, Nubbins. Shut your hog-bag brother up there. You know, there's nothing accidental about quality. I hate to say this, but that hillbilly hog you boys caught earlier is the top cut of the night.
Wait, that's mine. That's my hit, not Bubba's.
Now,
Me.
button it up.
Hey, want to go to the movies? No crowds. Everybody's at those football parties, huh?
Yeah. Whole night's washout. Biggest meat-eater weekend of the month, and we're gonna lose money. Damn it. Maybe I just ought to quit.
Really? Like totally, thoroughly disgusting.
No, Twink is fake. You think they really stuck a power drill through that girl's titty? No, you see, what they do is they run this little tube up under a bra, like right up here, and then they sort of prime it up with some KO pectate and some strawberry Karo syrup, and then they take these little itty-bitty cherry bombs, and they put them on there, and it's like, boom, exploding titty. You know, it's just all over the screen.
Some sick puppy's gonna see that and try it at home.
No, you just go home, you try to stick a power drill through your titty, and you see what happens. Throws all this stuff up on your face, looks like strawberry vomit. Just ain't like real life.
Hey, let's jet to Austin, 20 minutes max.
Is that a Mr. Goody truck?